Good morning, students. The chapter which we will do today, that is chapter 2, sectors of Indian economy, sectors of economic activities. In this chapter, we'll read about the different sectors of economy, that is primary, secondary, and tertiary sector. So, as you can see here in these pictures, it is given the people, they are doing different types of activities. Some are delivering the post, some are making bricks, some are selling the products, and some are providing the services, and production is doing. So let us look at these pictures. You will find that people are engaged in various economic activities, and some of these are activities where people, they are producing goods, like they are making bricks, they are producing crops, and some others are producing services. Some are giving services, like you can say that, yeah, here she is selling clothes, and he is delivering the post or courier, whatever. So they are providing services. So these activities are happening around us every minute, even as we speak. How do we understand these activities? And one way of doing this is to group them or classify them and according to some criteria. So everywhere, if we see any activity is going on around our surroundings, so how we can classify them? We can classify them by using some criteria. So, and these groups are called sector. For example, if any natural production is going on or extraction is going on, so we can call it the activities of primary sector, like production of crop, mining, hiring, fishing, poultry farming, gathering. These all are the activities of primary sectors, because natural production is going on of everything. And if we talk about secondary sectors, in secondary sectors, processing and manufacturing are done. So the activities in which processing is done and manufacturing is done, it is called activities of secondary sectors. And the third is tertiary sector, the activities or the services which is provided in doing the activities of first and second sector, primary and secondary sector, it is called tertiary sector. For example, if cotton, the production of a crop comes in primary sector, and the process of that crop, it comes in secondary sector. But the service, the transport by which we can transport the crop from the field to factory, so that transport service is a fall in the category of tertiary sector. Okay, so next we will discuss in the next video.